of these birds are young, and that's why we could not go outside directly, because some of them don't experience flying outside, so we need to go closer. But some part of my building is already dilapidated, since this building was built 2012-2013. So this is more than 10 years. So this wood is already dilapidated. So we need to remove that and change another wood planks. But for now, I have to consider first their area where they can transfer. So I have to wait those my ongoing construction of birdhouse to be completed, until that, and that's the time that I will repair this building. So there you see, in the wooling, even in the wooling, there are birds making their nests. So some of these birds are already building their nest outside, because they don't have space here. So they are now starting to harvest the nest. So hopefully we could harvest many nests for today's harvest. Look at the nest. Oh, the nest is a very nice nest, big and white nest. Like this one, also some of them are already yellow, which because of the moisture coming from here. So one of the birds was submerged in this water, so I need to rescue this bird.